All right, let's take a look at something called an accidental. Now, if we're looking at this right here, we don't see any sharps or flats. So that means we are in the key of C major. If you'd like to learn more about key signatures, I have a video on that. And then, so this is the D, F, and A. Now in the key of C major, those are all just the white keys on the piano, D, F, A. An accidental is defined as a sharp, flat, or natural that is written into the music outside of the key signature. So in the C major scale, because we have no sharps or flats, everything is considered a natural note. So that means accidentals in the key of C major are going to be sharps or flats. So for example, F sharp. That would be considered an accidental because if you're looking at the music, it doesn't say to play F sharp over here. This F line has no sharp symbol on it, or in the bass clef, because the key signature will always be the same in the treble and the bass. There's nothing there, so you're in the key of C. That F sharp then is considered an accidental. Now the thing to remember with an accidental is as you're playing, it's only F sharp in the one measure where it's marked. The instant you come across a measure line, it's like hitting the reset button. So this measure on the other side is going to go back to the C major key signature. You're not going to continue this F sharp into the next measure. You're going to play it in this one measure and then F natural over here. Now you can have more than one accidental within the same measure. So let's say, for example, you're in the key of D major. So you've got the F sharp and C sharp. So that we don't need this sharp symbol here on this F, it's understood. Just like that. But let's say instead of A here, you are going to play C, and for this particular measure, it says natural. You're going to play C natural instead of C sharp. See? That would also be considered an accidental. And again, when you get to the measure line, it's going to reset to the D major key signature, which will be going back to a C sharp, just like that. So that's C natural, that's C sharp, because that measure line said, guess what? You're going back to this. Now, an accidental can also occur with a flat. So again, key signature, C major. We've got F, B, and D. So these are F natural, B natural, and E natural. But an accidental could also be a flat. So the line's a little thick here, but bear with me. It would be marked like that. So C major, but guess what? For this one measure, you're going to play B flat. And then again, measure line comes along, and there you go. Now, if it's a particularly long measure, and let's say you're going to play that B again, but the composer only wanted the B flat in that one spot, then later on in the measure, they would write B natural, and this could be in the same measure to tell you for this one point, play the B flat, then you can go back to the B natural.